everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Coltrane Express Pulls. Today I'm going to be opening up some 2001-2002 NBA hoops. These are going to be the Fat Boy packs. We're looking to find the Teal Explosions and the Oran Explosions. These guys come with 30 cards, as you can see. We'll go ahead and put our hands on one of them now. There's our odds. All across there, perfect. Nice thick package here. Got Cade Cunningham on the front there. Dude's been killing it all season last year, so let's go ahead and start ripping this bad boy open, see what we can come up with. Who are we hoping we pull from this pack, guys? It's a pretty nice hefty big pack. Got plenty of base cards in it. Best part about these ones, a ton of rookies, man. That's what I really like to see, is cards that have a ton of rookies. You just never know when they're gonna break out. So let's adjust that real quick. Apologize for that again, guys. Alright, we got a Kevin Durant, Pascal, Jarrell Hallway, I apologize about that light problem. Alright, Damian Green, Chris Porzingis, there we go, Jaylen Brown. Oh, we got LeBron James, everybody. Oh, flip it back around. There we go. Luke Kennard. Paul Millsap. Miles Turner. Alright. JT Barrett. Or RJ Barrett, sorry about that. Paul George. Alright, what we got coming up here? We gotta be coming up. Oh, Anthony Edwards. Always nice to see Anthony. He's doing a good job this year. Oh my goodness. We got a slam. Steph Curry. Look at that. Boy, I like to see that. Absolute stunning card altogether. Man. Awesome. Nice pull there. See him over here. Pack's kind of out the way. Double up. Steph Curry. Alright, got a nice little first pack there. A little double up. First colored card here. Eric Bledsoe. Alright. Oh, Mike Conley. Mike Conley Till. That's a beautiful card too, man. Let's take a look at the back real quick. Yeah, beautiful card. Alright. Now we got our rookie bases here. Let's see if we can pull anybody big. Trey Murphy. Jordan. Let's see. Trey Mann. And alright. Nothing too big on the rookies there. Get those guys out the way real quick. Alright. Trash out of here, like always. Alright. First pull wasn't too crazy. Got a few good cards. Let's try the check-in one. Check-it one. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Kyrie to start off. Giannis. Danny. Wiggins. Tim Hardaway. Marvin Bagley. There you go. Marcus Smart. Colin Sexton. Oh. I always kind of hate when they do that. You know, you got to go through this and it's just constantly. Oh. What the heck was that? That was in my pack. Oh, weird. I think I probably got a error or something. Let's try that again. That was inside there, guys. That's a little weird. Anyway, sorry about that. Gary Harris. Start flipping these around again. Bradley Beal. Jordan Clarkson. Andre Adebayo, Hunter, Kubrick. Oh, we got Bane. He's been killing it for the Grizzlies this year. It's a nice little start right there for him. Going in his second year. Nice card. Anthony Towns. Got the cat. Lonzo. All right, here we go. Frequent Flyers. Anthony Edwards again. We got the Joker, Nokovic, and the Skyview. It's a really nice card. Oh, what we got here? Another purple. Kendrick Nunn. All right. What we got? The Skyview. Luka Doncic. Luka, that's a pretty nice card there. We'll start getting into our rookies here. Jalen Green, that's a good one. Some Graba, nice one too. All right, still nothing big in the rookie pools. That's a part of the only real disappointment of that. Got some pretty cool inserts though. Put those guys back over here. All right, here we are. Last pack. Let's see. Give me a like, a subscribe, a comment. Tell me what you guys think we're going to pull on this one. I'm just hoping for a good rookie card. That's what I always aim for. So let's pull that guy real quick. Joel Embiid. John Wall, Brandon Ingram, Kendrick Nunn again, there we go. Jay Crowder, Tyler Hero, Robert Covington, Steve Adams, Justin Holiday, Zach LaVine. All right, so here's our first insert here. Jason Tatum. Oh, here we go. D'Angelo Russell Slam. Really nice there. What we got here? We got some. What we got here? Oh, let's see. Let's turn it around here. Oh, another class of 2021 insert here. Kai Jones. Back card there. Take a look at the back of it. Number 10. Right. There's our other one. All right, let's see what we got in the rookies here. So hopefully something big in the rookies. Evan Mobley, finally. There's a good one. And all right, guys, not too big on the rookie pool. Only got one. I feel like, in my personal opinion, that was really worth the pull there. Let me go through all these again real quick, just to grab all these inserts, show you what we pulled. Out of these three Fat Boy packs. Again, got that Evan Mobley, Nice Bryant, Kite Jones, another insert, Jason Tatum. All right, and we got NBA Hoops, D'Angelo Russell. It's not a bad card. Got this bad boy right here. This is really nice. I don't know why, but I feel like that one's just sweet. It's not. I don't think it's numbered. Other than 11. No, I don't know if these under are numbered or not, but that one's just. I feel like that one's really nice. All right, Kendrick Nunn. Got another Luka Skyview there. Franco Flyers, Anthony Edwards. It's the Explosion, Mike Conley. Eric Bledsoe. And the double up on the Seth Curry right there on the slams. So, all right, everybody. I do appreciate you coming with me on this NBA pull. Wasn't a bad pull. Wouldn't say it was a great pull. Definitely got my money's worth out of those 3 packs. Definitely not gonna hate on it. So if you guys want to give it a try, maybe pick up some yourself, see what you can get something better. I'd love to see what you guys pull. Give me a like, comment, subscribe like always. Love and peace, and we'll catch you guys down the tracks. Thank you guys very much.